there folks, so welcome to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a easy recipe that's best ever cheese Maggi recipe. And let me tell you, it's going to be so delicious and so cheesy. So if you are a new here or it's your first time visiting my channel, then this is Deepak Kshatriya and you are already watching Deepak's Kitchen, and do subscribe for more such yummy recipes. So let's see how this cheese Maggi is done. And now you can see I have kept a pan to heat, and the pan is also nice and hot. In this I will add one medium sized chopped onion and the crushed garlic and a tablespoon of butter, and give this a nice stir, and we'll saute them until the onions get translucent. The onions are translucent now. In this we'll add the chopped capsicum and give this a mix. In this I'm going to add 2 cups of Maggi, so that we need to use 2 cups of water. And allow the water to come to a boil. And now you can see the water is boiling nice and good. And in this we'll add the Maggi tasting powder and a half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Give this a nice mix. Wow, just awesome. And now look, the water is boiling nice and good. In this we'll add the Maggi packets, 1 and 2. Don't break them and allow this to cook like this. And it's nearly been at 20 seconds on this side. Let's flip this and just push them like this. Now you can see, by cooking in this method you will get really long noodles like this. And now you can see there is a lot of moisture here, and the noodles also we need to cook some more, so that I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, it's been perfect. And in this we'll add some chopped coriander, and the star of the show is the cheese. I'm taking a half a cup of it and give this a nice mix and allow this cheese to melt. And now you can see the cheese Maggi is perfectly done, is now ready to taste. Now you know how this beautiful cheese Maggi is done. Look at this, just beautiful. Look at the texture of this cheese, and it's very stringy, tasty, and looks delicious and yummy at the same time. You just do it as the way I show you, and believe me, the regular normal Maggi will taste you so much better. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our updates. So I will be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.